Hi guys, it's Foxy. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do the side-by-side comparison of these two hairstylers. WAVYTALK AIRSHAPE Pro versus DYSON AIRWRAP. Today we're going to find out if the $749 tool works just as good as $249 tool, which is basically $500 less. So let's start with the base of the styler. DYSON AIRWRAP has 3 temperature settings, 3 heat settings, and 1 cool shot button. WAVYTALK AIRSHAPE Pro also has 3 temperature settings and 1 cool shot button. What about the airflow power? Here in DYSON we have 3 airflow strength levels, which is the exact same that we have in WAVYTALK AIRSHAPE Pro. Both of them are positioned as intelligent low heat airflow control devices, which is really nice because it reduces heat damage from styling. And now let's move to the attachments, which in my opinion is the most interesting and exciting part of this review. DYSON AIRWRAP has dryer plus smoother attachment, 2 types of curling barrels using self-wrapping Coanda technology, soft smoothing brush, firm smoothing brush, and round volumizing brush. WAVYTALK AIRSHAPE Pro has 2 different sets to choose from, which are Signature Airstyler Set and Roller Airstyler Set. Signature Airstyler Set contains high-speed dryer, volumizing oval brush, smoothing paddle brush, and auto-wrapping curlers using auto-wrapping Coanda technology for left and right side, while Roller Airstyler Set contains high-speed dryer, volumizing oval brush, auto-wrapping curlers using auto-wrapping Coanda technology for left and right side, and auto-wrapping rollers using auto-wrapping Coanda technology for top and side sectioning. Just so you don't have to manually put your hair in the roller after styling or clip your hair to your head separately from styling. You can style it with a WAVYTALK styler with built-in roller attachment and call it a day. This saves so much time, you can't even imagine how happy I am about it. So I'm gonna make another separate dedicated video for how to style your hairs with those roller attachments. But for today, we are strictly comparing those 2 bad boys. Both of the brands advise to use their stylers on wet or damp hair. So I'm gonna be right back when I wash my hair. So here we are, completely wet and ready to style. I already applied my heat protection and hair care products. Also, I already brushed my hair with the wet brush designed specifically for wet hair. Since I have pretty wavy hair and I need to prepare it properly after the wash if I don't want to leave it like it is and I want to style it instead. So yeah, I just brushed my hair through and let's proceed with the styling. So the first thing coming up to the test is a blow drying speed. I'm going to use a stopwatch on my phone so we can see how much time it took for both of the devices. This side will be the DYSON side and this side will be the WAVYTALK side. So let's start with the DYSON side. And here we are, it's 2:09. So it's 2 minutes and 9 seconds. And now let's do the WAVYTALK side. Yeah, and it's 1 minute 9 seconds. And I focus on the roots mostly because for this part I want it to be slightly damp, like just a little bit. Next thing is the round brush. So when I use my DYSON, I use this round brush attachment for the volume, for the root volume specifically. I don't use it every single time I style my hair with a DYSON, but just sometimes when I want some extra root volume, I do use it. Also sometimes I use one of those instead. And in WAVYTALK, we have this big round brush that gives off the Revlon styler vibes, you know? And the Revlon brush that is shaped like that, it gives much more volume than the DYSON round brush. So I'm really excited that WAVYTALK added this specific type of round brush, this huge round brush, along with intelligent low heat airflow control technology. So this is really amazing. I'm genuinely so glad they did that. Okay, last words, let's see them in action. So as you can see, without any products, it doesn't really give much of a volume, but it still does a little. Now let's try the WAVYTALK one. I don't know if it's visible for you through the camera. I think it is. There is a little bit more volume than here. And the queen of today's video is a curling attachment. This baby. As you can see, they are pretty similar in their shape and length. So now I'm going to show you step by step how I use this attachment. It wraps around the curler on its own. I wait for about 10 seconds and then I add 5 seconds of a cool shot and it's done. I'm going to clip my hair in sections for this. So we've got 2 bottom sections and 2 top sections. I have a lot of baby hairs right here, like all around my face. So basically, sometimes I just need to grab them and throw them in the styler. I'm gonna leave the curtain bangs for the end. And let's proceed with the WAVYTALK side. How tight and bouncy this curl is. And done. And done. I want to mention something. When I rub my hair around the DYSON, when it wraps around the DYSON on itself, on its own, sometimes I need to manually adjust my hair, manually fix it a little bit, because it can't manage to rub my hair every single time. So sometimes there are some loose strands that I need to manually throw on the DYSON. Here, it never happens. Just look how instant it is. So I'm removing the curtain bang from here so you can see how both sides look without the curtain bangs. And let's proceed with curtain bangs. The most important part for me genuinely is my curtain bangs, because if curtain bangs look bad, the whole style doesn't make any sense anymore. So I really hope it does look good. So let's reveal it. So this is the final result without any touch-ups, without any brushing, without anything else. Any products, just hair care and heat protection. No styling products, no nothing. I don't know how about you, but I'm genuinely the WAVYTALK side fan. The DYSON AIRWRAP side and the WAVYTALK AIRSHAPE Pro side. Now I'm going to brush it through with my fingers a little bit. So here is the final result. I genuinely love this product. I'm so happy because I think I found the treasure right here. Because not only it looks the same as the DYSON, but in my humble, honest opinion, I like this side more. Let me know in the comments what do you think. Don't forget to use this code right here so you can get this styler with a $20 off discount. As always, I will link everything to the description of this video down below. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching and take care of yourself and have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.